Hello all, so today we are going to learn how to make simple drawings of the animals for the little ones. So in the center of the sheet, first we'll draw standing line, one more standing line, then join it with sleeping line and sleeping line. Next we are going to make one standing line from here to here. Now slanting line to make the face and sleeping line. Now we are going to make legs, so one long standing line, one more standing line, one short standing line and one more short standing line. So this is the basic structure that we can use to make different types of animals. So first let us start making the giraffe. So first we'll complete making the legs, one standing line, one sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line, standing line and another sleeping line. Here we make all the four legs. Now we'll make the eye in the triangle and two ears here. Now one slanting line and circle. Now we are going to make a tail by making a slanting line. To complete the body, now giraffe has these circles on the whole body, so we are going to make 4-5 circles far away from each other. This drawing can be done for nursery class. To upgrade one level, we can ask the children to make one more standing line. This we can do with the children of pre-primary classes, and on the neck as well they can make the circles.